Je suis Charlie. Je suis Charlie.
People across the region are mourning the victims of an attack on a satirical magazine in Paris on January 7th. Moldovan journalists and civil society activists laid flowers in front of the French embassy in the capital Chisinau. Demonstrators chanted Je suis Charlie, or I am Charlie, a slogan of solidarity with the slain employees of the magazine Charlie Hebdo. In the Bosnian capital Sarajevo, people lit candles outside the French embassy and left pencils as a gesture of support for the slain and wounded journalists. The killing of 2 police officers and 10 magazine employees has prompted international protests in defense of freedom of the media. A memorial was also held in Almaty, Kazakhstan, where journalists and others gathered in front of the French consulate to show their sympathy for the victims and their families. In the Afghan capital, Kabul, protesters rallied against a planned visit by Pakistani politician and cleric Maulana Fazl-ur-Rahman, who was expected to attend a meeting on regional security. Fazl-ur-Rahman has spoken in favor of the Taliban insurgency in Afghanistan, calling it a legitimate war against foreign forces. Civil society organizations held demonstrations in different parts of Kabul to express their opposition to Fazl-ur-Rahman. In Peshawar, northwest Pakistan, elders from the Khyber tribal district protested to demand government aid for people displaced by military operations. Thousands have fled their homes since the launch of the anti-insurgent Khyber 1 operation 2 months ago. Protesters say they have not received food aid or warm clothes to help them through the winter. Also in Peshawar, Muslim religious scholars from several different sects met to voice their support for new government measures intended to curb terrorism in Pakistan. The scholars gave their backing to government efforts to defend the rule of law and protect civilians from violence. Earlier this week, Pakistan enacted a law allowing military courts to try terrorism suspects, a move that prompted objections from 2 mainstream religious parties. And that's the video roundup from Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty.